Hello, I'm Pat O'Keefe, Market Manager Entertainment for Lex Products. In this series of videos, we are presenting the wide variety of products that we have to offer. In a separate video, we spoke about our power distribution and control devices. In this video, we're not only going to talk about our PowerFlex cable assemblies, but we're also going to talk about the services and accessories that we offer. Our PowerFlex cable assembly extensions, tails, and adapters are built for the rough use and harsh environment they'll often find in the field. We begin with cords and cables from world-class manufacturers who utilize the latest compounds for the most desirable combination of functionality, durability, and flexibility. Then we attach the world's finest connections using state-of-the-art procedures, employing techniques honed over 30 years of manufacturing right here in the United States. As an ISO 9001-2015 firm, Lex Products adheres to the highest quality standards in manufacturing. Part of being a leader also means being an innovator. In 2009, we introduced EverGrip. This two-step molding technology is now considered the standard for multi-conductor extensions, break-ins, and breakouts. These highly sought-after assemblies are recognized as being of the highest quality and unprecedented durability. Not content with 19-pin alone, we've incorporated this technology into the fabrication of motor cables, cam splitters, as well as our combination coupler splitter adapter, the PowerCon and True1T. Lex not only employs commercial-grade components in the fabrication of our cable assemblies, we make those components available for sale. The finest brands of products needed for your repairs and installations are in stock and ready for immediate shipping. We have the cords, cables, and connectors needed to suit your needs. Once you've added Lex cable assemblies to your inventory, you're going to want to protect your investment with the use of Lex Power Ramp cable protectors. Through the use of non-conductive heavy-duty polyurethane, exclusive tread designs, and molded construction, power ramps provide a safe crossing in both indoor and outdoor applications. This feature-laden family of cable crossovers protect hoses and cords from pedestrian and vehicle traffic damage where they run across roads, parking lots, sidewalks, and pathways. Power Ramp is an inexpensive and reusable alternative to taping cords and cables to floors without the attendant tape residue. Any Power Ramp may have your logo molded into it for easy identification. Another technique for ensuring the longevity of your cable inventory is to ensure that it is treated properly. At www.lexproducts.com, we feature videos on the proper techniques for coiling your cables. Yes, there's more than one way to properly coil your cable, and our videos will show you methods that will go a long way to maximizing the life of your cable assemblies. Regardless of how well you treat your equipment, life happens. The Lex Products Repair Program allows you to save time, money, and the environment by reusing and recycling your existing cable assemblies. You can also upgrade your cords with the EverGrip Retrofit for just a fraction of buying the equipment new. We've only had time to glimpse just a few elements of the Lex panel-to-plug philosophy. So why not head over to our website at lexproducts.com. There you will find detailed information on the full range of products that we offer, as well as additional videos, informative charts, graphs, tables, and white papers that will expand your knowledge of power distribution equipment. Remember, when you want to move your production and your facility to the next level, invest in Lex.